Any doubt? So do you have any doubt in chapter number 4, multiplication? No doubts? Very good. So let's quickly recall what are the points, what are the topics that we have learned in chapter number 4, multiplication. So no doubt means सबको सारे चीजें clear हो गई. Properties of multiplication. What are the properties of multiplication? What is the first property? Properties of multiplication. What is first property? Yes, Nishchay. हाँ निश्चय. Yes, निश्चय बोलो.
Ma'am, we have to write this. We have to write this.
No. I am just recalling. After this, I will show you. I will share one worksheet with you that you have to solve in your copy. No need to write this in copy. अभी जो मैं बता रही हूँ वो बस रिवीजन कर रहे हैं हम. अभी वर्कशीट मैं आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करूंगी, वो आपको अपनी कॉपी में लिखना है. ओके? Who will tell first property of multiplication? Who wants to tell? Yes, Shaurya.
One multiply all number that multiply by 1, the answer is itself.
Number itself. Yes. Multiplicative property of 1. Property number 1 is multiplicative property of 1. This property, what this property tells, it tells when a number is multiplied by 1. अगर कोई भी number multiplied by 1, then the answer, the product is always the number itself. For example, any big number 4230 into 1. So the answer will be the number itself, 4230. ठीक है? This is multiplicative property of 1. Now multiplicative property of 2 or multiplicative property of 0. So when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Okay? कोई भी number हो, any number, when it is multiplied by 0, the product, the answer is always 0. This is multiplicative property of 0. Now multiplicative property of order property of multiplication. What is order property of multiplication? Lower down your hand and raise your hand those who know order property of multiplication. What is order property of multiplication? Arush?
मैम आपका बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं है और मैम आपका वीडियो भी ठीक से क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा है.
Yes, Gaurav.
अभी थोड़ा क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा. आवाज तो अच्छे से आ रही है, क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा.
अच्छा. Yes, Navya.
मैम थोड़ा सा बोर्ड को इधर करो ना.
That means yes, Shaurya.
Ma'am, I know the third order property.
What is order property of multiplication?
Ma'am, like we multiply 7 by 7 multiply by 6. अगर उसका अगर हमें वो नहीं आता तो फिर हम 6 7 जा कर सकते हैं।
Not very correct. Okay. What is order property? When we are multiplying any two numbers, if we change their order, suppose for example, 6 into 5 is 30. If we change their order, means if we put 5 first, then 6, we are changing the order 5 into 6, then also the product will remain same, then also the answer will remain same. If we change the order of the number, then also the product or answer will remain same. This is order property of multiplication. Now next property is grouping property. What is grouping property? Grouping property of multiplication means if we are multiplying three numbers and if we change the group, for example, you can understand this by an example. You want to make a Bournvita milk, ठीक है? So what are the ingredients required? Milk, Bournvita and sugar, ठीक है? Sugar plus milk plus Bournvita. Not plus, multiply. So what we will get? We will get Bournvita milk, है ना? अगर हम इन तीनों चीजों को मिक्स करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? Bournvita milk. But if we group, पहले हम sugar और milk mix करेंगे, then we add Bournvita, then also we will get Bournvita milk. Now, अगर second step में, if we are mixing sugar and Bournvita, then milk, then also we will get Bournvita milk. अगर हम sugar और Bournvita पहले mix करें, फिर उसके बाद mix करेंगे तब भी हमें Bournvita milk मिलेगा. अगर हम milk and Bournvita पहले mix कर रहे हैं, then we are mixing sugar, then also we are getting Bournvita milk. So this is called what this is called? This is called grouping property of multiplication. आप 2 into 3 into 2 करेंगे, 3 2 are 6, 6 2 are 12. You will get answer 12. So first group is 2 into 3. If you group, okay, let's take 6. 3 2 are 6, 6 6 are 36. If you are grouping 2 and 3, then keeping 6 separate, you are getting answer 36. Now if you are grouping 2 into 6 into 3, if you are grouping 2 and 6 in one group, then also you will get answer same. Now if you are grouping 3 into 6 and keeping 2 separate, then also you will get answer same. This is called grouping property. Okay? Please, Navya, don't raise hand in between. Raise your hand if you have any doubt in last 10 minutes. ठीक है? ठीक है Navya? Last 10 minutes में hand raise करना. Navya, what I am saying, raise your hand in last 10 minutes. So these are the properties of multiplication. Okay? Now, multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. After this, I will show you, share one worksheet that you have to solve. ठीक है? Suppose we have to multiply 36 with 10. So first what we will do? We will put how many number of zeros are there in 10? 1 0. So we will put 1 0 at the very right side. कभी भी आप 10, 100, 1000, 200, 2000 like numbers से multiply कर रहे हो, तो आप क्या करोगे? जितने भी number of zeros है, start put at very right side. Right side में रखोगे and multiply 1. Here it is 1, so multiply 1 with 36. 136, 36 1 the 36. So answer is 360. Here how many zeros? 2 zeros are there, so put 2 zeros at the very right side. Then multiply the first digit, that is 1 here. 36 1 का again 36. ठीक है? Same here, there are 3 zeros, so put 3 zeros at the very right side. Then 36 1 का 36. ठीक है? Easy. Suppose it is यहाँ पे 10, 100 and 1000 है. Suppose यहाँ पे 50, 500 and 5000, and you have to multiply 50, 500 and 5000 with 62. So how many numbers of 0? 1. So put at the right side. Now multiply 5 with 62. You will get the answer. 5 2s are 10, 5 6 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 1 31. ठीक है? Understood कैसे किया? इसमें 2 zeros है, so we will first put 2 zeros at the very right side. Then we have 5. So multiply this 5 with 62. Again 5 into 62 is 310. Clear? Now here are 3 zeros. So first put 3 zeros at the very right side. Now multiply this 5 with 62. Again 62 into 5 is 310. ठीक है? Understood? Now multiplication of a number, multiplication by 2-digit and 3-digit number. 2-digit number and 3-digit number, how to multiply, let's understand. 326 multiplied by 96. So first step क्या है? The digit in second number, the digit in ones place में the digit है, उसे second number के whole number के साथ multiply करेंगे. 6 6 का 36, 6 2 का 12, 12 plus 3 is 30. 6 2 are 12, 3. 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Carry over 1, 5 will come here. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, 90. Okay. Now we have multiplied ones digit at ones place. Now we will move to digit at tens place. So first we will, when we are moving to digit at tens place, first we will put 0 here. ठीक है? क्योंकि हम tens की place में move करते हैं. 9 6 का 54. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Carry over to 3 will come here. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Now add this digits. 6 plus 0, 6. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Carry over 1, 2 will come here. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Carry over 1 will come. 2 plus 1, 3. This is the answer. ठीक है? Understood? Okay. Now I am going to share my screen. I am going to show you worksheets. ठीक है? वो worksheet आपको give heading revision. That worksheet you have to solve it now. अब भी solve करना है. Give heading revision and start calculating. Do it in your copy. And if finished, raise your hand. Question number 1 is 505 into 117, that is 117. Navya, sit properly. And where is your copy? Where is your copy, Navya? Open up your copy. Copy कहाँ है?
मैम
आपकी कॉपी कहाँ है नव्या? Show me your copy.
मैम मेरे को समझ नहीं आया वो आप जो बॉर्नविटा वाला समझा रहे थे.
आप कॉपी ओपन करो. First open your copy.
ओके मैम.
Everyone start your video. And you have to do this in your copy. मैं सबसे एक-एक करके आंसर पूछूंगी. 505 into 117. What is the answer? Deshna, why are you not solving in your copy? सब मुझे कॉपी में सॉल्व करते हुए दिखने चाहिए. समीक्षा, आरुष, निश्चय, धैर्य, रौनक. Start your video. Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, I have raised hand for telling first answer.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, answer is 58655.
Wait a minute. 58. 58 then? Five eight then?
58655.
6. No. कैसे करो बेटा? It's not correct. Do it again. Okay, I am also doing with you. 505 multiplied by 117. So पहले क्या करोगे आप? You will multiply 7 with 505. 7 5s are 35. 7 zeros are 0. This 3 will come as it is here. 7 5s are again 35. Now moving to tens place 1. Now we will multiply this 1. So 1 5s are 5. 1 zeros are 0. 1 5s are 5. Moving to 100 place, so we will put 2 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5. Now add this number 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 plus 5, 10, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Answer is 59,085. Okay, Bhavya? कहाँ मिस्टेक किया चेक करो. Where you have done mistake?
मैम मैंने ऊपर में 3535 की जगह 3605 लिख दिया था.
3 7 5 से कितना होता है? 35 नो. Yes, Dakshita.
मैम फॉर फर्स्ट ही मैंने किया था.
अभी सेकंड
फर्स्ट के लिए किया था.
सेकंड कर दिया.
ओके मैं सेकंड कर रही हूँ.
ओके, डू इट फास्ट. Very good children, all are performing very good. Kavya, where is your copy? Everyone have to do this worksheet in their copy. आज की डेट डालनी है, today's date, write down revision and write down today's date. Question number 1 is done. Now moving to question number 2. Anyone has solved question number 2? 651 into 954. Yes, Weber.
Ma'am, 32859.
32859.
Yes, ma'am.
328 और 6 नो नहीं बेटा, फिर से करो,
Yes.
फिर से करो। यस मौली बताओ।
Ma'am, 621054.
ओके, हैव यू डन दिस इन योर कॉपी? दिखाओ। Very well.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
2150 is correct answer.
210.
जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन का, आपका टेबल और आपकी स्पीड भी बढ़ेगी। ठीक है, सो सब करो। आपकी मैथ्स की स्पीड, फिर आप बाद में और भी कभी कोई एग्जाम्स दोगे तो आपकी मैथ्स की स्पीड बहुत अच्छी बढ़ेगी। So 621054 is correct. Let's see कैसे। 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. Moving to next test place. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, carry over to 5 will come here. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32. Moving to next place, 100 place, so we will put 2 0. 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 4 is 59. Now add this number. 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 5, 5. Okay? 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 5, 20, carry over to 0 will come here. 5 plus 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry over 1, 1 will come here. Okay? 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, carry over 3 will come here. Okay, wait a minute. Five, 9 plus 6, 15, 15. Anyone has solved next question? 529 into 784. Question number 3, 529 into 784. Anyone has solved? Yes, Shaurya? Shaurya, unmute yourself. हाँ. Solve किया? Question number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
मैम पीछे से बताओ, पीछे से आगे.
नहीं. How we read the number? वैसे ही बताओ.
मैम
We read the number from right to left or left to right?
मैम 8 4 5 3 6.
No, it is not correct. फिर से solve करो. 8 1 नहीं है बेटा, 4 1 होगा. Do it again. Yes, Arush. What is your answer? 529 into 784. You can drop your answer in chat box. Okay?
मैंने अपना आंसर चैट बॉक्स में डाल दिया है.
Yes, I got your answer and your answer is correct. Good.
थैंक यू मैम.
Have you solved next one also?
ओके मैम.
Yes, Bhavya, your answer is also correct.
20.
Those who have finished, they can drop their answer in chat box. Question number 4, 208 into 724. Two 208 into 724. Only 10 minutes left. Do it fast. I'm giving 1 more minute. धानवी, चेक योर आंसर बेटा. आप कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर बता रहे हो वो भी लिख के भेजो. Arush, check your answer once more. It is not correct. Don't be in hurry. ठीक है? Yes, Bhavya, your answer is correct. 150592. Yes, correct. Deshna,
मैम
have you solved this one? 208 into 724.
मैम मैं अभी थर्ड वाला सॉल्व कर रही हूँ. मैम थर्ड वाले का आंसर 79466. 79466.
79.
थर्ड वाले का आंसर मैम.
नहीं. No.
466.
थर्ड का आंसर है 414736. Okay, do this one, then I will explain.
Okay.
नहीं समझ रहा है. बोल.
हाँ,
मैम एक बार मेरे को समझाओ ना, मेरे को थोड़ा सा नहीं आ रहा है।
यस, वही मैं बोल रही हूँ. आई एम गिविंग 1 more minute, then I am explaining. $529 into 784. Answer is 414,736. That is 4,14,736. नेक्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन भी सॉल्व करो, देन हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 दोनों साथ में देखेंगे. Only 5 minutes left. Okay, write down the question fast. Then I am explaining on the board. Okay, let's see question number 3. 529 into 784. $529 into 784. So first we will multiply the digit at ones place. सेकेंड नंबर का वंस प्लेस में जो डिजिट है उसे फर्स्ट नंबर के पूरे नंबर्स के साथ पहले हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो 4 9s are और 9 4s are 36, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, carry over 1, 1 will come here. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Now we are multiplied with ones place. Now we will move to tens place. So first we will put 0 here. Okay. Now 8 9s are, yeah, 9 8s are 72. Okay. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7 is 16 plus 7. 6 plus 6 12 13. 1 plus 1 2. Okay. Carry over 2. 3 will come here. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 is 42. Moving to next place, that is 100 place, so we will put 2 zeros. ठीक है? 9 7s और 7 9s is 63. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. Carry over 2. 0 will come here. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. Now add the number. Two plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry over 1. 1 will come here. 3 plus 1, 4. Answer is 414736. Okay. Next question. What was next question? 208 into 724. 208 into 724. ठीक है. पहले हम कैसे करेंगे? 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 4 8s are 32. 4 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 2s are 8. Moving to next place, so we will put 0. 2 8s are 16. Carry over 1. 6 will come here. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus 1 1. 2 2s are 4. Now moving to 100 place, so we will put 2 zeros. ठीक है? 7 8s are 56. Carry over 5. 6 will come here. 7 zeros are 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 2s are 14. Now add this number. 0 plus 2 2. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay? 6 plus 1 7 and 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry over 1, 5 will come here. 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. Carry over 1, 0 will come here. 4 plus 1 5. 1. Answer is 1,50,592. Okay? Remaining question we will see tomorrow. ठीक है? Then I will take test. Tomorrow I will take test on this chapter, chapter number 4, multiplication. Okay? Less than 1 minute is left. कोई doubt है? Yes, Shaurya? Yes, Deshna?
मैम कल क्या का टेस्ट है मल्टीप्लिकेशन का?
Yes, chapter number 4, multiplication. पहले हम एक दो क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, फिर उसके बाद लास्ट में टेस्ट लूंगी मैं कल.